So guys, looking at this Kimkay closure, which is 2x6 closure, you notice that it's very beautiful and so natural. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made it from A to Z, everything. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. You guys are the best and I love you. So to get my center pattern, guys, we are moving straight to the video. To get my center pattern, I normally fold the lace. Okay, I fold the lace into two. When I mean two equal parts, and kind of press it, okay, to get my center pattern. Then when I'm done, I use my pencil to mark out the center pattern. I do this first before starting the ventilation process. So when I'm done marking it out and fixing it on my mannequin head, I go ahead and bring the bundle. Okay, this is the bundle that I'll be using. So I cut out some part of it, cut it out from the weft, then I comb it out. The reason why I'm combing it is to remove the short hairs. You don't need the short hairs, what you need the long ones. So I normally comb it out and to remove the short ones. Then when I'm done, I pick small amount of it. I'm picking small amount, so I'll be able to control it, control the strands of it I'm picking. Then I fold it into two. Like you can notice, I'm not folding it in two equal parts. I fold it in such a way that one will be longer than one, because I want to get a longer closure when I'm done ventilating. So for this closure, I'll be using the vertical horizontal pattern. Okay, so I vent on a hole, I vent on a line. I started a line, okay, a line after the marked center pattern. So that's the reason why you need to mark out your center pattern first. So I started a line before it, so I vent on a line and I skip a line. So but for the holes, I am not skipping any hole because I want my closure to be very full when I'm done with it. So I'm not skipping any hole at all. I'll be ventilating in all the holes while I skip just a line, picking 2 to 3 strands of hair. Okay, so guys, go ahead and watch this video to the end so you will see how I do everything, both the center and the front part. Okay, I'm going to show you guys everything from A to Z, or how I'm doing this. So I'm venting on a line, I skip a line. Then for the holes, I'm not skipping any holes. Okay, like I say, this is a vertical horizontal pattern. That's what I will be using in this closure. If you don't understand what I mean by the patterns, okay, I have a video on that. If you're a beginner, you don't know how to vent at all, I still have a video on that. At the end of this particular video, a video will pump up. Okay, 2 videos will show. One, the how to vent as a beginner. Trust me, if you follow what I did in that particular video, between 2 to 3 days of practice following that video, can I assure you will learn how to vent. Then if you don't know how to, or the different patterns of ventilation and you want to learn, okay, I still have that video too. So guys, so I'm just venting on a line, I skip a line, I vent a hole and I skip a hole. So this is just what I'm doing. I'm not doing any magic. I'm just venting a line, skip a line. For hole, I vent a hole without skipping any hole. So someone requested I make a video on how you can actually draft your lines, maybe 2x4 or 2x6. Draft out a line maybe in a paper that even when you can easily just place the paper on your mannequin head, then place your closure on it, and the paper is already marked, so it will guide you on how you can easily vent your closures and frontals. So I'll be dropping a video on that. Okay, I'm working on it. I'll be dropping a video on that soon, so that's the reason why you should subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so once I upload that particular video you will get notified. Okay, so I'll continue with this till I get to 1 inch, okay, to where I decided to stop. Then I'll show you guys the next thing I'm going to do. Okay, so when I get to, if you notice how I'm venting the line before my center pattern. I'm doing as if I'm slanting my hand, as if I'm doing the diagonal pattern, like as if I'm slanting my hand. If you notice, if you watch it very well, if you watch me closely, you will notice what I'm doing, as if I'm slanting my hand. I mean the line before the center pattern. I'll still repeat the same thing with the line on the line after the center pattern. Okay, so when I get to 1 inch and inch to where I decided to stop, I started picking just a strand of hair, just one, nothing more than one, because it needs your closure to have that natural looking. So guys, if you know you found any value, or if you see that, if you know that this value is this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, turn on the notification bell. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section. So for the line, just like I said earlier, if you notice it, I'm kind of slanting my hand. The reason why I'm doing it like that is to have a very clear visible center pattern. Okay, when I'm venting the line before the center pattern and the line after the center pattern. For the center pattern, I always skip a line, just one. I don't like my closures being so bold, so I skip just a line. So the line before it and the line after it, when I'm venting it, I slant my hand as if I'm doing the diagonal pattern. Okay, if you watch, you will notice exactly what I'm doing. So guys, if you know you're finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell. Okay, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Say a word of encouragement. Guys, it's not really easy making all these videos. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have anything that is bothering you, or you still having issue on any particular hair or ventilation, anything, let me know in the comment section. I will make a clear video on that. Okay, like I said, I'm working on one, how you can draft your lines. Okay, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload that particular video, you get notified. So I'm just picking a strand of hair, skipping no hole and skipping just a line. So this is exactly what I'm doing. When I'm done with the first part, I will go ahead and complete the other part, the second part, repeating exactly what I did here. All right. Like I say guys, I'm not picking more than one. I'm just picking a strand of hair, okay, and an inch to where I decided to stop. So guys, this is the final beauty. Just look at this. Okay, so guys, subscribe please, like this video and share to people, share to your friends, they will need it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.